So last time we had done a 2, today is the 28, okay? 28 for 2021. This is Wednesday. So last time we had done a 2 from the arithmetic progression from the mesh 1. So up to here we have done it up to question number 9. So others are not so much important for exam, but I'll take up some 1 or 3 problems from here. After that from the another exercise we'll do. Now let me take up this question number 10. So let us see the questions in an AP question number 10. So what the question said in an AP, the fifth term is 7 and 11th term 10. Find the first term and the common difference. So solution, let A be the first term. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. I repeat, common difference of the AP. Common difference of the AP. What the question said, A5 equal to how much? 7. That means A plus of 4D will be 7. This is question number 1. Then further, what the question said, A of 11 equal to 10. So this will be A plus of 10D equal to 10. 2. So from equation 1 and 2, let us write this one on the top, first one. A plus 10D equal to 10. Another one, A plus of 4D equal to, this is 7. So both are same sign means we have to subtract. So one will lose it. So how much will get here? 6D. This will be minus equal to 3. So D equal to 3 by 6. You will get, this is 1 by 2. So we have to put this value in equation number 1. So let me remove it. So putting D equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1. Remember, this is equation number 1. A plus this is equal to A plus 4D means half equal to 7. So 2 to cancel. Therefore, A equal to 7 minus 2 equal to 5. So what the question said, first term and common. A is the first term. So you can finish here. Require first term equal to 5 and common difference how much? This is half. Finish. Likewise, we can solve question number 11 also, same thing. Question number 11, let us see here. What the question, same thing with those things. The 6th term and the 7th term will be 21, 24. Likewise, question number 10, we have to write again, let A be the first term. Let A be the first term and D be, so okay, I'm going to remove this, D be the common difference of the AP. What the question said, A15. What is this? Question 11. A6. Sorry. A6 is how much? 21. Implies A1 will decrease. A plus 5D equal to 21. Equation number 1. Then I am removing all. You see here. After that, and how much? A of 17 equal to 54. This is A plus of 16D equal to 44. Question number 2. From equation 1 and 2, let us write this one first on the top. A plus of 16D equal to 54. A plus of 5D equal to 21. If both are the same side, we have to subtract. This subtracting assiduity 11, D equal to 33. Therefore, D equal to 33 by 11 equal to 3. Likewise, in question number 10, we have to put the value of D in equation number 1. So I'm removing this. So putting D equal to how much? 3 in equation 1. You remember this equation number 1, A plus 5, D means 3 equal to 21. To find out A, what you do therefore A equal to 21 minus 15 equal to 6. So what the question given, find the 40th term. So N will be 40. So A 40. Therefore, A n equal to A plus we have known the formula this. So A 40 will be, A means how much? 6. N means 40 minus 1. D means how much? 3. So let us see. This equal to 6 plus of 39, 3. 6 plus of 37, 3, 3, 1 equal to 123. Require what the question asking, 40 term. 40 term equal to 123. Then, see, I am removing this. Now let us come to question number 12. Question number 12 means, what the question, let me write the questions. Generally they used to have for 1 mark this. The 15, for 1 mark how I am solving it. The 15th term of an AP axis, the 20th term, how much? 20th term by 8. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. But because common difference, instead of find, let me say what. In that case, how to find, I am not going to solve for 1 mark, generally they used to ask. So find means you have to find out. Find you have to solve. This is A15 minus A20 equal to, in case it is what means no need of showing this problem. You have to solve at the side, you have to do it. But find means you have to solve it. A15 minus A20 equal to A. We know that A plus of 14D minus A plus of 19D equal to A. That is A plus, this is for a find, minus A minus 19D equal to A. A cancel implies 5D equal to 8. D equal to minus cannot be put at the denominator. So minus I by 5. So common difference. This is for 1 mark to find. But the thing is that remember, minus I by 5. It is for the find. But whatever sometime in exam they are asking, choose type either what. No need of showing this part. Directly you have to solve this thing at the side. You must write answer, common difference equal to minus 5 by 4. So remaining part, there is question number 13, let me try again. Question number 13, let me write the question again. Others we can do in the normal classes, whenever we open the normal classes. So the question number 13. See, question asking how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3. See, for 2 marks they can ask. Solution AP means 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3 are. Remember, 2 digits start from 10. So divisible by 3 means 12, 15, 18, 2 digits up to 99. So see, we know that here the first term A means, this is the first term, A equal to 12, D equal to 15 minus of 12 equal to 3. D this will be treated as an. An equal to 99. We know the formula a plus of n minus 1 d equal to 99. A how much we are getting? 12 plus of n minus 1 d how much? 3. This is 1, 3 equal to 99. Implies 3 n minus 1 equal to 99 minus 12. Implies n minus 1 equal to, this is 87 by 3. Therefore n equal to 2, 9 plus 1, 30. Okay, this is the what is 2-digit numbers. Require 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. How much we are getting? 30. This is the digits. Others generally they never ask, but question number 17 once time they have asked. The last one for this exercise, let us try question number 17. So question number 17, see. Question number 17. So I am not writing the question. Let us read out the questions. In an auditorium, the seats are so arranged. There are 8 seats in the first row, and the seats in the second row 14, and third etc. Another one 11 and 14. Increasing how much? Increase by 3 each row. There are 50 seats. In the last row, how many rows of seats this? So arrangement of seats in the auditorium are for this first one 8, 11, 14, increasing 3 very next row. Since the increment is uniform, so the given sequence, the given sequence is in 80. Here A how much? A means 8. D means 11 minus 8 equal to 3. So then we remove. So see, the last row, how much they are having? 50. So this will be treated as AN. AN equal to 50. Formula means A plus of n minus 1 D equal to 50. So after that, what are we going to do? A how much we have got? 8. Plus n we have to find out. D means our getting 3 equal to 50. Implies 3 n minus 1 equal to 50 minus 8. N minus 1 equal to 42 by 3. So n will be 13. Oh sorry, it should be 14 plus 1 equal to 15. So wonderful. This is the 15 is require how many rows of seats? Require number of rows of seats will be, this is 50. So some 1 or 2 problems we have it, so we can do it in the normal class, but it is not much important. But for the final policy, to know more, let us do in the normal class. But for the exam point of view, it is not so much important. Now let us come to the this next exercise. So sometimes in the board they used to ask how they have different ways they may say, but the question they can say, prove that Sn equal to n by 2 twice a plus of n minus 1 d. Or we can say n by 2 a plus a. They can ask like this or they can ask like this. Both the ways we are going to solve it. So let us say, see almost same but only slight difference is there. See, let us come to this solution. Let a be the first term and d be the common difference of the AP. So in new program, let us start. Let Sn denote the sum of first n terms of the AP. So then means Sn will be a plus of d plus the plus of third bracket a plus of n minus 2 d plus of a plus of this will be a third bracket a plus of n minus 1 d. This is so this is not this is a type of sequence, but this is, you will say term plus is there. Rewriting the terms in reverse order. So what the question says, Sn equal to, see, a from here we are going to write first n minus 1 d plus of a plus of n minus 2 d the plus of a plus d plus of a. This is equation 2. We are going to add this equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2. So if we add these two, so remember, if we add these two, a plus a twice a, again we are getting these two again, this also a, same thing will get it. So twice of Sn will get all twice a plus of, remember, n minus 1. No need of thinking anymore. So this all will get like this, twice a plus of, after simplifications, the plus of twice a plus of, this is plus of twice a plus of n minus 1 d. So how many times? It should be n times. Remember, this is not x. For me, x I write like this, and this is n. For me, x means one note would be like this, x. If there is no note, it will be treated as n, not x. So implies twice Sn, how many n times of twice a plus of n minus 1 d. Therefore, Sn equal to n by 2 twice a plus of n minus 1 d. For the past questions we have finished, either O or n I have given. So if they say n by 2 a plus a, you have to continue like this. N by 2 twice you will treat a, second bracket, a plus of n minus 1 d, second bracket, this is third bracket. This is same as an. So n by 2 a plus a. For the first question we will finish here. Okay? Again another word or comes means two steps will continue. This sometimes they used to ask multiple board by giving the 2 marks. So this thing you have to know it. So this is very important for the finance point of view. So by applying these two formulas, let us solve few more problems from the exercise. How much? Exercise how much? This is 6.2. So this is the exercise 6.2. So let me take up some one or two programs. Exercise 6.2, open page number how much? 114. Question number 1, solution. So AP how much? 40, 36, 32, 28, go to 15 times. So here A how much? This is the A. D how much? 36 minus 40, how much will get? Minus 4. So N is how much? 15 times. We know that Sn equal to, just now we have established, n by 2, twice A plus of n minus 1 D. So A of 15 by 2, twice A means how much? A how much? 40. Plus this A means how much? 15. 15 minus D means this is minus 4. Don't forget to keep this bracket. Otherwise it's wrong. This is 15 by 2. This is IT plus 14. It is minus 4. This is 15 by 2. IT minus plus minus 56. That means 15 by 2. This is how much? 424. 212. 15 into 2 how much getting? 30. 15. This is 180. So require sum 180. Okay. Now let us solve again Roman number 2. After solving on the remaining part, you can solve yourself. Roman number 2. Question number 1. Roman number 2. So the AP. AP how much? AP is 3, 18, 13, 18, those are the 2 terms. We have terms. So here A how much? A 3. So see, I have mistake here. It should be 8. It is 8. D means I divided 8 minus 3, 5. So N equal to how much? This is 12. Just now we have done a formula. So Sn equal to twice A plus of N minus 1 D. So we have to find out A square. Therefore A square. This is 2. 12 by 2. Twice A means 3 plus 12 minus 1. D means 5. 2 divided 6. 6 plus of 11. 5. This is 6. This is 6 plus of 55. 6. This is 61. 6 1 by 6. 6 is 36. Let us check the results. Yes, we are getting. Require sum equal to. Remaining Roman number 3 and 4, you can solve yourself by applying such a formulas. Let us come to question number 2, Roman number 1. Now I am removing this. Now let us come to question number 2, number 1. Question number 2, number 1. This is AP how much? 63, 61, 59, 35. See here A will be how much? 63. D will be 61 minus 63 minus 2. This should be treated as AN. AN equal to 35. We know that the formula of AN implies A plus of N minus 1D equal to 35. A means 63. 63 plus of N minus D, how much? This is minus 2. 35. Implies minus 2 N minus 1 equal to 35 minus 63. From 63 we have to subtract 35. I2, this should be minus, minus is better. Implies N minus 1 equal to minus 20I by minus 24. Minus 2, sorry. This you can say, therefore After dividing, you are getting 14 plus 1 equal to 15. Okay? So we have to apply that formula again. What formula? Sn equal to n by 2 a plus of an. So s of 15 by 2, a how much we are getting? This is 63, an and how much? 35. So this is 15 by 2, this is 98, 249. So 49 into 15, 5 9s are 45, 4 24, this is 49, 5 3 7, 735. So require sum equal to 735. Let me take up Roman number 2 again. See, Roman number 2, same with the same method, whatever we have done just now. To know more, let us try Roman number 2 again. Roman number 2, what is given? Question number 2, it is Roman number 2. Solution. AP how much? 2, 5, 8, this is 182. Here A how much? 2. D how much? 5 minus 2 equal to 3. This is treated as AN. AN equal to 182. AN formula means A plus of n minus 1 D, 182. A how much? This is 2. N we have to find out. D how much? 3. This is 182. 3 n minus 1 equal to 182 minus 2 implies n minus 1 equal to 180 by 3. Therefore n equal to 60 plus 1 equal to 61. Then what formula we have to apply? This Sn equal to n by 2 a plus an. So S61. A61 61 by 2. A how much we are getting? 2 plus an 182. This is an. So now this is 61 by 2. This is 184. 292. 92 into 61. 2 under 2. 9 under 9. 6 under 12. 55. 2 1 6 5. 5 6 1 2. So you can write require sum equal to 5 6 1 2. Okay. Now question number, we can take up question number 2. Once it has been asked in Manipur board by giving 2 or 3, I forgot. So let us try question number 3 also. So question number 3. What the question says, how many terms of the AP this together sum 148. 3 solution. AP how much given? 1 6 11 16. You know here A how much? 1. D how much? 6 minus 1 equal to 5. So Sn is how much given? Sn how much? 148. We know that the formula of Sn equal to, or the formula n by 2 twice a plus of n minus 1 d. This is 148. N we do not, so n A means 1 plus of n minus 1 d means 5. Don't multiply 148 into, just leave it like this. So this is n 2 plus of 5n minus 5. Don't multiply, it will make bigger, to make easier. And this is thrice n minus 3 equal to 142, 8 into 2. So 2 minus 5 means minus 3. Or it should be 5n, I had a mistake, sorry for that. It should be 5n. So let us multiply here. How much we get it? 5n squared minus 5n. By transferring this 148 into 2 will be 0. So let us factorize 148. 274, 237. Let us keep this 2. Let us keep this 5. If here is minus, after subtraction we must get 3. 5 to 10, 20, 40 minus 37. 5n squared, here minus 40 minus 37, n minus 148 into 2 equal to 0. That means 5n squared minus 40n minus plus 37 n minus 148 equal to 0. 5n taken out common, n minus 8. Don't be headache. You take out common 37, here we will get n minus 8. I repeat again, don't be headache, don't be dividing. You take out common from here, so necessarily you will be here n minus 8. So smaller one, n minus 8, have to write first. 5n plus 37 equal to 0. Either by transferring n equal to here, let's say 8, or 5n minus 37, therefore n equal to minus 37 by 5. Remember that the value of n cannot be negative or fraction. So now we are getting fraction as well as negative. So this should be neglected or rejected. Neglected also you can say the now require number of terms. This equal to how much? The number of terms will be this A. This is rejected. Now let us come to, generally from question 5 also sometimes they used to ask, let me take out question 5 Roman number 3. Question number 5 Roman number 3. Find the first 100 odd natural numbers. 5 Roman number 3. AP equal to first 100 odd natural numbers are how much? Natural numbers are, there is I think they say 1, 3, 5 and so on. Under 100 times how much we don't know. So here the question of sum A equal to 1, 3 minus 1 equal to 2, n is 100, this 100. We know that the formula of Sn equal to how much? Sn equal to n by 2 twice A plus of n minus 1 d. So this is S 100. 100 by 2. A means 1 plus of 100 minus 1 d means how much? 2. Dividing how much? 50. 2 plus of 99, 2. This is 50. 2 plus of 19, 198. 50 into this is 200. So 5 to 10, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Square. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can come even number also simply you can solve it. So question number 6. Question number 6, what the question said, sum of the odd numbers with 100. Question number 6, AP means odd numbers. Yes. Odd numbers between 100 and the 200 are. 100 means 101, 103, 105. Last one between 200 and 199. So here A means 101, A means 103 minus 101 equal to 2. This will be treated as AN. 199 minus 101, no, 103 should be 103. Yes, I will come up. Sorry, for that AN equal to 199. This formula AN means A plus of n minus 1 D equal to 199. A is how much? 101 plus of D means how much? 2, 199. So let us find out the n. Implies 2n minus 1 equal to 199 minus 101. Implies n minus 1 equal to, this is 8, 9, 98 by 2. The n equal to 2 4 to 9 plus 1, this is 50. We are getting n equal to 50. So what formula we have to apply here? You must know Sn equal to n by 2 A plus An. Already we know An. So S of 50, 50 by 2, A means how much? 101, An 119. This will be 25, adding this is 0, 0, 3. 3, 5, the 75, 7, 0, 0. So you have to write required sum equal to 7, 5, 0, 0. This is the result. Now let us come to question number 7. So you can see this one I just did. So by looking very well on this class. Now let us come to question number 7. AP means parts 25 multiples of 6 are. That means 6 was 6, 12, 6 is 18. Last was means 6 was 30, 15. This is. So, first one here, A equal to 6, D equal to A minus 6, equal to 6. N equal to how much? 25. Is An given, this is 150. No need to find out this. So we can write Sn equal to n by 2, A plus An, because another formula we can apply, we can apply this. A of 25 equal to 25 by 2, A means 6 plus of An means 150. This is 25 by 2, 156. 2 7 are 14, 2i equal to 70i by 25. 5 is 40, 39. I to the 16 or 15. 0 5 9 1 1950. Let me check the result. Question number 7. Let me check the results. Question number 7. Yes, very good. So we have to write down required sum equal to 1950. So again, question number 8. Let us come to question number 8. Sometimes for 1 mark they used to ask, but this method I am going to solve is question number 2 mark type. AP multiples of 7 between 100 and 300 are. This is, we have to divide by 100 by 7. 7 1 are 7, 3 0, 7 20. 2. You increase this by 1, 14 means 15, 1 increase, 7. That means R 105, 7 different 112, 119. You divide this 300 by 7. 7 4 are 28, 20, 7 2 are 14. 42 whatever 7. 7 whatever 294. This is 294. This will be treated as AN. So A how much? 105. D how much? 112 minus 105. This will be 7. This will be treated as AN. You see there? AN equal to 294. A plus of n minus 1 D 294. And plus A how much? 105 plus n minus 1 D means how much? 7. 294. And plus 7 n minus 1 equal to 294 minus 105. And plus n minus 1 equal to 294 105. 981. 189 by 7. N equal to 7 to the 14. 779 plus 1 equal to 28. N we are getting 28. So we can apply. See, they used to ask for 1 mark. This is for 2 marks. Sn equal to n by 2 a plus n. This following to apply. So S of 28. This will be 28 by 2. A how much? 105. An how much? 294. 14. This is 105. After adding 993. 399 by 14. 36, 39, 3, 993. 6, 8, 5, 5, 6. Let me check the results. This is question number how much? Question number 8. Question number 8, 5. Yes, we are getting the results. So, require sum equal to 5, 5, 6. Okay, this. After this, I think there are some 10, 11, 12 and 13. So others will never ask. Didn't there question number 17 sometimes they used to ask. So let us try some of this from this exercise. So now let us come to question number 12. On the question gave an given 3 minus 2 is n. A1 3 minus of 2 into 1, 3 minus of 2 equal to 1. A2 3 minus of 2 into 2, 3 minus of 4 equal to minus 1. I don't want the no need to find out. A how much? 1 minus 1. Here A how much? 1. D how much? Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. N how much? N how much? 50. So we have to apply the formula. What formula have to apply? I am removing this. Sn equal to n by 2 twice a plus of n minus 1 d. Therefore, S of 50 degree, 50 by 2. A how much are we getting? 1. So 50 minus 1 d how much are we getting? Minus 2. So here we are getting, this is 25. 2 plus of 49 minus 2. 25, 2 minus, plus 1 minus, 9. 25 minus 96. This is 96 by 25. 30. 0, 0, 4, 2. 2, 4, 0, 0. So require sum will be 2, 4, 0, 0. Okay. So now, so we'll for question 13 will be the last for today. Okay. So you digest these things. The next class we can continue. So find the first time common difference. Sn equal to, this is n 5n plus 7 by 12. S1 equal to A1 equal to A. This will be n will be 1, 5 into 1 plus 7 by 12. This is 12 by 12 equal to 1. This will be the first term. Then, this is A1 also. Now S2. 2, 5 into 2 plus 7 by 12. 6. 10, 17 by 6. Okay. So A2 will be S2 minus S1. 17 by 6 minus 1. 7 by 6 means 11 by 6 A2. So first term is this. So require first term equal to 1. Common difference. Common difference means A2 minus A1. That means common difference A2 minus A1. 11 by 6 minus 1. So 11 minus 6 equal to 5 by 6. Okay. So these are the digits. So for today we can stop here in practice and digest it. The remaining one, I think question number 17 they used to ask sometimes that in the next class we can continue these things. Okay, we'll stop for today. I continue a lot, sir. Never come out there, sir.